This dish here is it's like a jerk chicken fried rice. It have basmati rice in it, which is plain rice. So all I do is just put it in the pot, sweat some onion off with a bit of butter, add the chopped chicken in it, and then add the egg, just season with salt and pepper, and I add a bit of soy to it, and then some sliced avocado. Because just coming in with the food truck, so I decided to fix myself something, but it looks so good, so I have to make a video of it. Just gonna have this with a glass of water and lemon. On the side there's avocado and cucumber and the red onion. Please remember to share, like, and subscribe. On top is just a half a chili I cut and just tie it with a bit of chives. And the sauce is just some jerk sauce on the side to accompany it.